How's it going, everybody? Welcome along to another 10-minute drop challenge. I'm very excited about this one. It's in the style of old school dubstep from 2007 to 2010 maybe. I grew up on that shit. I remember when UKF had like 10 uploads for the dubstep channel. I listened to a lot of it when I first started producing, which is what I'm getting at here. I thought, why not do a 10-minute drop challenge? It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be fucking iconic. There is also very sadly not going to be any OTT in this one because, you know, that shit wasn't happening in 2010. 140, that's right. All you 150 BPM producers, we're going back to the roots, 140. But yeah, we should start with the bass. Load up massive, just make some whoop whoop whoop, and then yeah, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, start. Second load of 10 minutes. Alright, timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start. Yo, go. Stressing. Alright, new sound. I'll see if I can get the chord progression down before we even go for it. If I can where's the note? I'm not even on the right channel. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, need the tempo. Kind of want a little bit of distortion. All right, duplicate. This is going to be the chords ting. This is going to go up in pitch. Don't want that. Don't really want distortion. Want it wide. Is it just me or is it not super clear? Like, what the f... It's not... No, there we go, that's clear. No. Alright, let's make some banging chords. Now. That is beautiful, apart from the fact that it is so loud and clipping. Alright, this is going to be slightly detuned, so I'll chuck a couple of cents there and there, add in another off. Royally fucked that up. No. No, we're sticking to squares and saws. Group them together. Oh, wow. That sounds sick. I went to OTT as well. The mouse scrolled that way. Alright, we need another massive. Oh, stress. Sync. 4? Oh, I didn't fucking new preset. Oh my god. I have to blow that again. Wub, wub, wub. Check this. There we go. Paste there. There's a quick way to do that, I'm sure. Oh wait, that's distorted and banging. Is that even a pattern? So running out of time. I don't even think I've done the drum. No, I haven't. I don't think I've done the drums. No, I haven't done the drums. Where the fuck is the arpeggiator? There we go. Alright, we need the fucking drums because we have probably 0 minutes left. 3 minutes. Oh, we're doing alright for time. Actually, we're doing okay for time. No, the camera just stopped. There we go. Oh dear. Accidentally used the same stuff we did last time. No. Yeah, want that doof at the start. I feel like old school dubstep drums, they don't have as much heaviness in the snares like we do now. That's so out of time. Oh, we need sidechain. That's why it's sounding absolute balls. Okay, this should be relatively easy. Most of it's in a group. So that one, two. Oh, you can't even see it. It's not on the screen. Let me see if I can add another layer in, because we got the time. 1 minute, yep. What was one of my favorite scrapyards banging? Erosion, a bit of saturator. I didn't add the sidechain onto anything else. I'm an egg. There. There. I'm happy with that. The kick had a little bit too much extra doof. So I was trying to fix it out in the last second, but it didn't work. Actually, let's hear that compared to the first one. That's cool as well. They're cool in their own right, but this is more 2010, for sure. I reckon that even low end. I'll do the classic thing I do on every single sub I make. Oh, would it sound so banging if we could use OTT? No, I said at the start of the video I wasn't going to use OT. I blatantly lied. Where is the sample and hold? So if you did like this video, there's a good chance you'll like the video I made in 2017 where I mashed up a whole bunch of like old school dubstep tracks from 2009 to 12 and turned them into a song, basically sampled all the tracks and then yeah, turned them into a song. It's a crack up video. Obviously it's gonna have Flux Billion's bass cannon in it. Damn straight. And a few others, throwbacks obviously. It's unbelievable. That's definitely going in. Oh, tune! Oh, I did the fucking same. Oh my god, it's such a fun video to make. I should make another version. Mini teaser right here. Somebody to absolute fucking bang over video and tune. Check that in the description. And that concludes another 10-minute drop video. Thanks for liking if you haven't already. If you haven't, yo, blue tick. It'd be awesome. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys next Sunday or whatever we're doing on this channel. Have a great day and see ya.